Hey guys, what's up? Hope you had a great weekend. This is Taylor from the TradingAnalyst.com. We're going to take a look at oil here via USO. So this is something we've been talking about for quite some time, is the potential breakout setup on oil. All right. So here is just a kind of review. I'm going to review about kind of why it broke out and why this is the very beginning of a big move in oil, and then I'm going to break it down into some specific levels here on USO that you can use to make money coming up here this week and next week as well. So what we have here is a break over this major downtrend line. This is a year of action here on oil. You can see it started here, rejected there, here, and once again right there. So a lot of touches against it. Okay, so you can tell that is a key level. And then we have this uptrend right here. All right, this uptrend line. Notice when we dipped here earlier before this breakout, notice where we hit. We hit pretty much right above that uptrending line. So if you've been following along in these videos, you would know about this bounce zone, and you could have gotten long there for a profitable trade. So we were trading very, very narrow range. Again, I'm going to draw. Okay, so we traded sideways really between these two levels for about 2.5 months, almost 3 months. You know, really this is sideways trading, just kind of a little bit above where we were, but virtually all this is sideways trading. Okay, no trending, just up and back and up and back and up and back. When that happens, it builds up a lot of energy. Okay, it builds up a lot of energy for the eventual breakout. So when it starts moving, it's going to move big. So today is honestly day one of this breakout. I think it's going to head a lot higher. I think it's going to be a multi-month move higher. You know, I'm not saying it's going to go straight up to, you know, 16 bucks on the USO, but I do think it will be a very large breakout. Okay, when you have a lot of sideways trading, breaking over the downtrend line, we were making higher lows right here as well. All those things are lining up for a big time breakout. So here are the levels that you want to watch, and I'm just going to get rid of a couple of these lines here to make it easy on you. So the biggest support is going to be down here at 12 bucks on USO. If you're looking at any other crude oil chart, basically the highs of the last couple months. Okay, so the highs of August and September prior to today. Okay, that's going to be your main level of support. Then we have some closer levels of support right about here, which will likely be the place where we get a bounce at, right around 1260, 1250. You can see it was previous resistance there, and right here, and you can see that we just gapped over it and closed over it right here. So if we see a little minor dip to about 1260, to me it's a buying opportunity. As far as resistance levels, right around, you know, between here and here is going to be that resistance point, and this is the very first resistance point. Eventually, I do think that these levels are going to get broken over and break even higher. But those are the first two resistance points, and those levels, let me give you those levels, right around 1340 to about 1390 on USO. 1340 to 1390 on USO is going to be those first two conservative targets. I definitely think long term it's going to break over. This is a big time breakout. All right, we've been in a downtrend. We broke over that downtrend. We've been trading sideways here for really, I mean, three or more months. Okay, no real trend right here in all of this action, and that builds up a lot of energy for a move higher. So I think if we get any kind of a dip, you know, tomorrow or the next day, I think a lot of people are going to say, a lot of people out there are going to say, oh, this breakout isn't for real. yada, 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 where the smart people, which I think you are going to be buying the dip if we get that dip, because I think this is going to be a pretty big breakout, okay? The other thing that I didn't mention too is that we broke out on massive volume, all right? This is the biggest volume day we've seen all year, literally all year, okay? January started right here, and you can see this is the biggest volume bar by far. So not only did we break out, we broke out on huge volume. A lot of buyers step into this, and this is, again, this is day one, right? So a lot of people might think that it's overbought, yada, yada, yada. But again, when you have a breakout like this, it really can get pretty devastating if you're caught on the wrong side. So that's what I got. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you're not already aware, I do run a membership program here at TradingAnalyst.com. One of the main features of this membership, when you sign up and join, is you will get instant access to all of the trades that I take and alert to paying clients. All right, all of these entries, and by the way, this is the portfolio tracker we use to track all of the alerts that we send out to members here at TradingAnalyst.com. All of these entries and exits were alerted to members in real time, and these are swing trades, so you can participate if you have a job, if you work, or you've got school, or if you're a stay-at-home parent and you can't day trade, but this is going to be able to put some money in your pocket regardless of your situation. As long as you have a cell phone and you can receive these texts and act within a few hours or even by the end of the day, then this is going to be a great opportunity for you. And you can see here these alerts are very profitable. You can see the average win is almost double the average loss. And you can see in the last 13 months, this is when we started using this portfolio tracker 13 months ago, we've gained over $300,000, okay? This is not an account value, okay? This is actual profits right here, all right? Tracking all of the trades that we make here at TradingAnalyst.com. We recommend position size, and we recommend the exact price to get in as it's happening. So not only that, but all of these trades are put on a watch list ahead of time, so you're able to prepare for these trades and know what to expect. We're not just throwing you out alerts in the middle of the day and hope that you can catch along. We're putting them on a watch list, and the majority of those plays on the watch list I'm actually covering in a video similar to this, except I go over a lot more details about the trade, why I'm taking the trade, where I'm looking to take the trade, and it's going to help you learn and grow and get better as a trader, and at the very least, help you gain more confidence in these alerts as we get to know each other. In addition to these profitable alerts and the watch list and the videos that I talked about, you're also getting educational, pre-recorded educational videos. I've had this service for over 6 years now, and I've recorded a ton of educational content throughout that time, and you're going to get access to all of that when you sign up and you join today. But most importantly, you're getting these profitable trade alerts, and it's going to put money in your pocket. So if you've been struggling to make consistent returns in the market, we're not talking about having a good day here or a good week there. We're talking about month after month, quarter after quarter, year after year. We're talking about profits in the long run. If you've been struggling to do that, then this is your opportunity to change that, all right? And I'm going to teach you how to be consistently profitable. So if that sounds good to you, I invite you to join, and I'm going to start sending you these trade alerts as early as tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you in there. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.